2020 cricket match seems to be converted into a test match series due to lockdown, and the lockdown is due to CV. Really, the beginning of 2020 has a lot of change in our life. We are puppet in the hand of nature. Really, no doubt. If we live according to nature's, there is no problem. The recent scenario which the world is facing is due to our ill intentions. Either the intentions to become a superpower or to destroy the mankind. I think this is the result of being an intention of some country to be a superpower. And the CV has taken a lot of lives, a lot of lives, innocent lives, thousands, even it will be touch lakhs. But these situations tells another story also. If we check the whole balance sheet, we find something different there during the lockdown period, which a country or many countries has taken the step to save the country from CV to be in lockdown. These periods, lot of accidents, lot of tons of carbon dioxides we throw into the atmosphere has been completely stopped. We must search a good thing among the worst things. Though the situation is really not in control, but we are sure one day we will come over the situations. And if we follow when these pandemic situations will be over, inshallah ta'ala, we should live life according to the conditions which we are living during the lockdowns. We must use masks, we must sanitize our hands, we must keep distance, not a distance from heart to heart, but a distance not we should not be in a place where too much gatherings. If we adopt simple tips of lives, our lives will be much beautiful. So we should be with the natures. If we will with the natures, our life becomes so sweet. What we are experiencing during these days, we are living with the families, playing with the kids, doing our deep-seated desires. Though the other side is also that so many people are nothing to eat, but government is trying to provide essential commodities. So if we see the balance sheet provides that net profit in the expectancy of life. Our life quality has been risen. So we must not lose hope. Our crest is definitely high, that we will surely succeed, and in the nearest future we will develop a vaccine, so as the whole the mankind's will save from this disaster CV. Thanks for being with me, and try to be with natures. Thank you so much.